Hi, everyone. We're going to get going on our vocabulary. So if you please grab your vocabulary journal. We are on page 19. I'm going to go ahead and get started on our first word. Let me get the camera going. If you would please grab your book and turn to page 19. The last word we did was novice. All right. So, page 19, we're going to write down our week. So last week it was, or last time, so we're at week 12. And we're going to write our date. So it's 1/4/21. Oh, it's nice to write a new number. Okay. So our first word is clarify. 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 All right. So clarify means to make something easier to understand. To make something easier to understand. Okay, it's something you do, so therefore it is a verb. Okay, make sure you get everything written down. Go ahead and press pause. I'm going to move to the next one. All right, our next word is going to be spare. Spare. S-P-A-R-E. Spare. Spare means that you have extra. It's more than what was needed. So, more than what is needed. That's what spare means. You have extra. It's more than you need. And spare is an adjective. ADJ. It describes. So if I say I have a spare tire in my car, that means I have an extra tire in my car. What kind of tire? It's a spare. So that's why we call it an adjective. Alrighty. Go ahead and press pause if you need to get this written down. You should have these two finished, and your week 12 and the date. Okay, we're going to turn to page 20 now. So at the top, I need to write the word or the number 20, page 20. Okay, and our next word is strain. Strain. S-T-R-A-I-N. Strain. Okay, so strain means to try your hardest. To try your hardest. And what that means is I'm trying to reach something that's on this high shelf. It's actually higher than me, so I'm going to try my hardest to reach up there and strain and get it. Okay, or it could be that you can't see very well, or you can't hear something very well, so you try your hardest to see it or try your hardest to hear it. So you're going to strain. All right. Go ahead and press pause if you need to when you're done. Oh, this is an action word, verb, something you do, you strain. Okay, push pause if you need to. And we're going to go to the next word, which is remain. Remain. R-E-M-A-I-N. Remain. Okay, what does remain mean? It means to stay in one place or to continue. Okay? To stay in one place, or to continue. Okay? Like you keep doing it. And so this is something you do, which makes it a verb. You're going to remain in your spot. That means you're going to continue to be in that spot. You're going to remain seated. That means everyone's going to stay seated. If you're going to remain standing, everyone's going to stay standing. Okay, go ahead and get all of this written down. Press pause if you need more time. We're going to go to exotic. That's our last one this week. Exotic. E-X-O-T-I-C. Exotic. Okay, exotic means it's very different or unusual. So, very different or unusual. I don't like how close that word or is to that, so I'm going to move it up here. Or, unusual. Very different or unusual is something that is exotic. You might see a bird that's an exotic bird. It's very different. It's very unusual. So it describes the type of animal it is or the type of look it is, so that makes it an adjective. Okay. All right. Go ahead and make sure you have everything filled in. Go ahead and press pause if you need to. I'm going to come back here so you can see the whole page. Page 20. If you want to press pause there so you can see everything and just keep writing. But make sure you have everything written down in there so that you are ready to go for tomorrow when we're going to do our antonyms and synonyms. All right, so we're all finished with that. We're going to head over to grammar. You're going to need your grammar, your reading and grammar notebook, and we're going to do our slideshow today introducing our new grammar focus. So I will see you in grammar. Thank you.